It's Misty here with Planning with the Elf. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have a Hubman Chub Girl haul. This should include my March subscription box, and then I think they also included an order I placed not long after. So they every month they have, or maybe even more than every month, they have a freebie set. So that's what this is. Then we have probably my order. This is probably the box. So they had a capybara set, so it should have a binder. This is big binders. I thought I was going to use this binder to hold stickers, but it may be too big. So we have a capybara binder. Oh, it's 8.5 by 11 binders. Then we have a cute little tote bag, and then we have a cute little clip. So if you were interested in the gingerbread advent calendar, they actually have some left, and they are on sale. They're still around $100, I believe, which I know is still expensive. But if you're interested in one, it is on sale. So that's the freebie. I bought the wrong size. I bought the wrong size sleeves. Let's do the order first. Yay! Oh, this is pretty. That's real pretty. Okay. Yeah, those are definitely not gonna fit. Are those definitely not gonna fit? These open bigger. Ooh, maybe they will fit. Ooh, I think they will fit. Okay, great. So I am going to get this binder. Yeah. I think you have to spend like $90 to get the freebie. So, yes, I spent $90. But there's always like we always get like discounts. There's pineapple points that you can use for a discount. They're always sending a thank you gift. Like I just got one today for $10 off. So for sure. Okay, so I bought a bunch of stickers, and then I got the strawberry cow kind of bundle. I don't think they had a box, but I did get the bundle, and I got this for my birthday for April. They have a birthday bundle, but I wasn't really interested in it because it came with birthday cards. Like, I don't need birthday cards. I make birthday cards. Ooh. Dang. So, those are nice bags. It came with the washi. So we've got some strawberries. This will be fun in my strawberry shortcake bullet journal too. And we got the cute little strawberry cow. There's ice cream and strawberries and jam and stuff. Can you even see that? Cute. And there's a pen. Then we have the die cut stickers. They have all this made ahead of time, or if they print on demand, because they make their own stickers in house. So we got that one. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They remind me of strawberry milk. If you guys have been with me, I did a strawberry milk planner kit forever ago. Like when I had my store. I may have to bring that back out. Print one up. So there's a vinyl sticker. These are what they call the planner stickers. So these are like the journal stickers. Lots of cute ones. Where are the months? So these are the big stickers. So we've got the strawberry cow drinking the strawberry milk. And the cute little treats. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. So I saw somebody yesterday who I hadn't thought about in 100 years, and that was Sweet Foy Design. It was cool to see that she's still around. Okay, I didn't get my months, I don't think. This is the planner kit. So have a berry day, very good day, you're the sweetest. Got the boxes. Cute. It's funny because I found some of her videos from 2021 and 2022 where she's talking about how she added some of these stickers. It's always fun to see where companies start and where they end up, especially when they're small businesses like this. I just hope these tariffs don't end up killing them, because that would just be heartbreaking, because I'm sure a lot of their business is to the US. And then this is the sticker pack. So if you sign up for their sticker subscription, this is what you get. You get the variety sticker sheet. I think there's normally 7. So we've got some stamps. Those are cute. Got some washi stickers. And we've got some dividers. This would be fun as a mood tracker. And then cute little pictures. Those are so much fun. So over the past couple of weeks, I have purchased 2 bullet journals. So I may start a bullet journal this year for like planning. We'll have to wait and see. I haven't decided yet. One of them, I don't even know why I bought it. It was just, I was just like, okay, that's gorgeous and I have to have it right this very minute. And then I picked up some of their, they have like some kind of like more self-care kind of related stickers. So here's one for therapy, or 2 for therapy. Tried my best today. One thing that my therapist and I are working with together is like respecting my boundaries, setting realistic expectations, you know, stop giving myself grace, giving myself self-compassion. That's one thing that I'm really working on this year. And I thought these would be good. So like when I do as much as I can, then I've done as much as I can, and I have to be okay with that. Didn't compare myself today. Comparison is the thief of joy. I say that all the time. Do I always listen to myself? No, I don't. I got 4 of those. You can see how much I expect to do that. And then was kind to myself today. Got 4 of those. I didn't overdo it today. Again, something that I really need to be cognizant of. I got 4 of those. I think I only got 2 therapy because I only go every other week. Took a shower today. I do have a, oh, there's my month, my April month. I do have a habit tracker, but I thought this would be cute too. And then this is for my birthday month. So that is that's the order that I placed separate from the monthly box. So I get the ultimate subscription, which is $60 a month, USD. And then $5 shipping. So it's $65 a month, and it includes everything, plus a bonus. So Strawberry Mill, or Strawberry Cow, was a theme from last year, I believe. And so you see some of the stickers that come. I actually ended up purchasing some other stuff from this because I wasn't sure if it was going to make it in time. And there's someone in California who had some left over, so I'll make some more of the Deep Blue Sea. Isn't this so cute? Ooh, I love it. I love it so much. So this is what it looks like. So now that all the Ultimate Subs come with their own box, you guys have seen my perfect, let me pull this out, perfect breakfast box. I still have my winter onesie collection if you guys are interested, but here is the perfect breakfast. This was the first month they did it. Here's the second box that they've done it in. It's so super cute. Keep that as is. Put these in there for now. Keep them out of the way. I'm ready to set up April today. Okay, so we have the enamel pin. Look at that shark. Happy Shark limited edition pin. We've got 2 washi tapes. This is like that faux glitter. I guess it's not faux. You can't even tell. But if you guys remember when that That glitter washi is the non-shed glitter washi. It's that same kind of texture. So we have Happy Sea Friends. The whales and the dolphins are so cute. Is this a beluga whale? I think that's a beluga whale. And then we have Deep Blue Sea. Baby beluga of the deep blue sea, swim so wild and swim so free, heaven above and the sea below, and a little white whale on the go. Baby beluga, baby beluga. Okay, so we'll start with the die cut stickers. Again, this is such a cute theme, and Rob's birthday month is March, so it's like, yeah. Look at the little killer whale. And then we have the shark. I think this is a beluga whale. Then we have this shark and this big whale. Baby beluga. Rob's been watching, it's called the Clearwater Softball Invitational on TV. And they always show a commercial for Clearwater. And there's always a dolphin. And I'm like, oh, we were up in Massachusetts a few years back, and I wanted to go whale watching, but it was too cold. Okay, so this is the variety sticker pack, and I just showed you the one with the strawberry cow. So if you get the sticker subscription, this is what you get. Baby beluga, baby beluga. It's gonna be stuck in my head all day. Baby beluga. So we have, these are like, oh, that's fun. Clear vinyl, so you can, there's seaweed and coral and stuff to do like the bottom of the ocean. I love the cute, look at the little puffer fish. Oh my gosh, so cute. You got some bubbles. You've got some, it's a great day, it's a great day. We're meant to be together. Seize the day. Happy to see you. You're fantastic. Vitamin C, well, hello. Don't be jelly. Got some cute little postcard. And then we have 2 sticker sheets. So we've got the bigger ones here. That has to be a beluga. Yeah? Or is it a dolphin? Is that a dolphin? No, the dolphin is gray. That's a beluga, right? I think so. Anyway, look at the little the squid, the jellyfish, the little turtle. Oh, they're so cute. So that's the sticker pack. And then this is the Hobonichi kit. I don't have a Hobonichi, but I use these in my monthly view and they work perfectly. So we have the habit trackers, and then there's the months, and then the days, and then we got, so this is the monthly kit. Get 2 sheets of that. And then this is the Hobonichi Cousin planner kit. So vitamin C, well, hello there. Get boxes. Get weekend. I normally don't use these because, again, I don't use the weekly. I use the other one for the monthly, for my monthly view. And actually, I may use these for both because I do 2 monthlies. Now that I think about it out loud. Cute. Okay, next, this is the planner kit. So if you order the planner kit, you get this. And it's the same 6 pages. Baby beluga, baby beluga. So it has the same boxes for the most part as the Hobonichi. It has this big one that can go on the bottom to make a cute little scene. I mean, it's 2 stickers, but you can put it together, you know what I mean? So that's 1. There's 2. 3. I love the fish and the seashells. So there's dividers that you can put on your bullet journal pages so you know what month it is. You've got the to-do list and the weekend stickers. I love this weekend sticker. That is so cute. And then we have the month, not the months, the days of the week. So the planner kit is the same format every month, but different based on the theme. And then last but not least is the journal subscription. So the special, I think the special stationery this month was this sticker sheet. And then we have a couple of cute little stickers. We've got the whale hello there. So we've got some, yeah, that's a blue whale. That's what I thought. Has a narwhal, which isn't real, but it's still cute. Big fish, little fish. So we have the little puffer fishes. Got the dolphins, and are these, I guess these are sharks and these are sharks. And then the ocean friends, the octopus is really cute. Look at the hermit crabs. Oh my gosh. So cute. So cute. And then you always get a card. This month I punched this for my happy planner and put it inside, and I really like it. And then this is the sticker album, and it just has plastic pages. So like if you only have like three stickers left on a sticker sheet, you can put it in your sticker album. They're basically just kind of, I don't want to say wax paper, but it is kind of like a waxy paper. I believe they sell bigger ones of these. Don't quote me. And then last but not least is the journal part of the sub. So you get March, which is real cute. You get other Marches because that way you can put it on each week. Get lots of day stickers. I love these. And then these are what they call the planner stickers. So we've got the We're Manta Bee. Is that a manta ray? Is that what it's called? Manta ray? I don't know. Well, hello there. Squiggly swimming friends. You're fantastic. And then fishy friends. So yeah, that's it. That is hella cute. I'm so excited that it got here on time. I'm actually excited to have some extras. That'll be fun. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like the sea animal, or do you prefer the strawberry cow? Are you just excited to see what I do to create with them? I'd love to hear your comments in the description box down below. So other than that, friends, I will have a link to them in the description box down below. It's not an affiliate link. They don't have an affiliate program. And so yeah, anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Baby beluga of the deep blue sea, swim so wild, swim so free, heaven above and sea below, and a little white whale on the go.